Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will be dealing with kinds of contract. Valid contract, section 2, H and 10. A contract is said to be valid if it is enforceable by the court of law. According to section 10, a contract is said to be valid if two competent parties freely consented to enter into an agreement with a lawful object for a lawful consideration. Every contract is an agreement, but every agreement is not a contract. An agreement becomes a contract when the following conditions are satisfied. There is free consent, the object is lawful, and the parties are competent to contract. Second, void contract. Section 2G. A contract which is not enforceable by law is a void contract. According to Section 2G, an agreement not enforceable by law is said to be void. Example, contract with minor. So in the case of Mohri Bibi versus Dharmadas goes, it was laid down that a contract entered with a minor is void ab initio and that is not enforceable. Third, voidable contract. Section 2I. Voidable contract is something different. In this, one of the party of the contract alone will have an option to cancel the contract. If it is cancelled, it may be void, and if it is not cancelled, then it is voidable. Example, a contract entered out of coercion, undue influence, fraud or mistake is said to be voidable. Unenforceable contracts. An unenforceable contract is a contract which is valid for all practical purposes until and unless its validity is challenged. For example, when a contract remains unenforceable for want of registration, it becomes enforceable in future after registration. Illegal contract. An illegal contract is a contract in which against the law. It is void and also crime under Indian Penal Code. Example, A and B enters into a contract to commit an illegal act or a legal act with an illegal means.